Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's Buyer Intent Tool. This powerful feature helps you identify which companies are actively showing interest in your products or services by tracking website behavior, allowing you to prioritize your outreach and focus on leads that are already engaged. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. If you already have an account, click the Login button in the top right corner. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up and get started with their free tier. Once you're on the login page, enter your HubSpot credentials and click Sign In to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look to the left navigation menu where you'll find all of HubSpot's main features organized by category. Click on Marketing, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Buyer Intent. This is where all the magic happens for tracking and analyzing visitor engagement signals. Once you're on the Buyer Intent page, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Configuration tab. This is the control center where you'll set up all the parameters that define what counts as buyer intent for your specific business. Before diving into the settings, you need to make sure the HubSpot tracking code is properly installed on your website and actively firing. This code is what allows HubSpot to monitor visitor behavior in the first place. If it's not set up yet, follow the on-screen instructions to install it or check your website integrations to confirm everything's working correctly. Next, navigate to the Intent Criteria area. Here's where you define your target markets or ideal customer profile, also known as your ICP. This might include specific industries, company sizes, or geographic regions that match your best customers. If these criteria aren't already set up, take a moment to create or edit them so HubSpot knows which visitors to prioritize. Now click Add Visitor Intent Criteria to get more granular. This allows you to specify the exact behaviors that signal genuine buying interest, such as visiting certain pages multiple times, spending significant time on your pricing page, or returning to your site within a specific time frame. For each criterion you add, configure the page path, domain, or event that indicates intent. You'll use drop-down fields to set operators like path is equal to or domain contains to define these rules precisely. An important step here is configuring your thresholds. Set the minimum number of visits or unique visitors required, along with the time period you want to track, which can be up to 90 days. This ensures you're only flagging companies that show sustained interest, not just casual browsers. Once you've fine-tuned all your criteria and thresholds, click Save or Done to apply everything. Your Buyer Intent tool is now configured and actively monitoring for high-intent prospects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.